everyone. My name is Shinalyn Garzo and with me is Engineer Vincent Cardinio. He is the process engineer of Global Ware Manufacturing Incorporated. So he graduated last 2012 at University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu and Mandaue. Good afternoon. Um, I have some questions that tackle ergonomics that is being applied in the Global Ware Manufacturing Incorporated. So first question would be, do you apply ergonomics in your company?
Uh, yes, ma'am. We also apply in ergonomics in our company because this is, as we all know, that ergonomics is the study of uh, human interaction between machines
Math.
and man and environment. So yes, we also have implement ergonomics too.
So in your company, how important is ergonomics?
Ergonomics is most important, especially especially in your in the production. Why? Because ergonomics is the design, is the study of design, diba? As what I have said, is the study of design where human and machines interact. Whether that machine or humans is comfortable with their workstation and their machines. So it is important also to have the maximum capacity of the humans
Okay.
in the sense of productivity and efficiency.
So are there musculoskeletal disorders are happening while doing the production?
A muscular disorder, yes, it has. Most, I will say the common muscular disorder occurred in our production is the lower back pain. Why? Because in their workstation, in their working hours, they have 7.5 working hours. In that 7.5, they only sitting in their chairs, just doing their operations. That 7.5, the lower back pain occurs during the interval of 4 hours to 6 hours. The lower back pain and also the sleep neck because they only have to bow their heads.
Okay, so what solutions does the company
Made for that
for
issues.
that issue?
Okay, so the company has proposed, together with us, has proposed a movable chair. The design of this chair is adjustable. Before, the lower back pain and the stiff neck occurs because of the fixed chair. So, fixer siya. They propose nga the movable chair. So, just like nakikita mo sa kanang nasa computer, table, chair, kanang malibot pa sa liso,
My ruler.
na roller, na siya, pwede
Adjust.
siya ma-adjustable. Because they propose on that also because they have different height of the operator. So ma-fix siya, flexible siya para so that the height of the chair, the height of the table, and the height of the operator is adjustable to their operations.
So next is how the ergonomics improve the workplace strategy.
Workplace strategy. Oh, the ergonomics. Okay, the ergonomics improves the workplace strategy by means of uh, productivity and efficiency. When we talk about productivity, output over the input, isn't it? Uh, Maximum output, high output, and a lower input. So in a sense of ergonomics, they have the ergonomics set the maximum capacity of the workstation and the operator, and then the operator.
Okay, next is how the ergonomics improve safety at the workplace.
How how the ergonomics improve safety at the workplace. Okay, ergonomics improves safety by means of designing a layout which compatible to the machines and to the operator. Not also the layout, but also the uh, design of the fixtures, fixtures.
Okay. So, is the company also particular with the illumination?
Illumination. Yes, also the company is particular in illuminations in a sense that without the proper illumination, the operator or the output
Mm.
may be compromised. For example, when the illumination is bad, the output or the operator will just gonna have a mistake in it. So
Mm.
may occur and technical errors because of the improper illuminations.
So, it also increases the cost.
Yes.
So, and how often do you change the lights of the workplace?
How often? Okay. We change the lights there by in once a week, not more than once a week or once a month. It depends on the standard or the depend on the status of the lights. For example, this week many lights or one light has a bad illuminates
Mm.
bad illuminations na. So the HR manager, including us, will propose na to change
Mm.
so that the capacity of the operator, the efficiency and the productivity of the operator will not be compromised.
Okay. So, why there is a need to maintain a proper illumination at the workplace?
Okay, to maintain proper illumination in the workplace. Okay, so it is important now to maintain. Why? Because as what I have said, without a proper illumination, the output and the performance of the operator will compromise. Okay?
Okay, so in the work area, so there is a required temperature, right? So, what is the required temperature for the workstation?
In our company, we have a digital apparato which detect the room temperature. As what I have seen in that apparato during my duties, 28 to 30 degrees Celsius is the room temperature of that uh, the production, the workstation. Or it 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 passes also to 27 to 30, but most likely it will 28. Most likely.
So, what are the rules being implemented by the company that is related to ergonomics?
Rules. Okay, speaking of the rules, the company implemented the rules which is in related to the ergonomics. The rules of first day in the morning, you will in 7 a.m. and then first hour. What I mean is first in the morning, 6:50. They will go on. They will advise to stretch their arms, have an exercise to circulate the blood flow, to circulate the blood, and to exercise also.
Okay.
That will minimize the stresses.
Okay, so last question. As a process engineer, how do you implement ergonomics at the workplace?
As a process engineer, how do I implement
Yeah.
ergonomics? Okay, I implement ergonomics uh, by means of telling the operator, and by means of analyzing the efficiency, not also the efficiency, but the posture of the operator. It is also important because what I have said, it will compromise the output whether the workstation is not comfortable with the operator. So by analyzing the workstation and the operator's posture, uh, I will, I will implement the what you call now what you call a reducible posture or fixture.
So, thank you, sir. That would be all. Thank you for spending or allowing me to have this interview with you. And good luck on your career and
Okay,
more
thank you.
power.
Thank you.
Thank you.